Like any corporate entity, an LLP requires to make certain financial disclosures, and it also may be wound up. So we'll be exploring that aspect in this video. As far as financial disclosures for an LLP go, an LLP is required to maintain proper books of accounts relating to its financial affairs for each year of its existence. And then it is required to file a statement of account within a period of 6 months from the end of each financial year. They have to prepare a statement of account and solvency for that financial year, and file it in a prescribed form, which is to be signed by a designated partner. Then annual returns must be filed with the registrar, and these returns are required to be filed within 60 days of closure of its financial year. Otherwise, any LLP violating this provision would be liable for a fine which ranges somewhere between 25,000 to 5 lakhs. And documents, there are certain documents open for the public, that is the document of incorporation, names of partners and any changes in the name, statement of account and solvency, annual returns which are filed by the LLP with the registrar. All these are available for inspection by the public on payment of certain prescribed fees. And there is a penalty for making false statements in any of these documents, which is quite a hefty penalty, ranging between 1 to 5 lakhs and imprisonment up to 2 years. So now, as far as winding up of an LLP goes, it may choose to wind up voluntarily or opt to be wound up by the tribunal, and the central government will frame rules from time to time regarding this. Now, what are the circumstances for winding up by tribunal? As I mentioned, that if a LLP opts to be wound up by the tribunal, then that may be exercised. If for a period of 6 months the number of partners in an LLP has fallen below 2, if the LLP cannot pay its debts, and if it has acted against the interest of the country, the sovereignty and integrity of India, or against public order, then LLP also, if it has made a default in filing with the registrar statement of account and solvency or annual return for any 5 consecutive financial years, or if the tribunal is of the opinion that there is any just and equitable ground for winding up of an LLP, it may be wound up. That brings us to the end of the section of the chapter on law of partnerships relating to the LLP Act 2008. Thank you for listening.